Let's begin by setting our cyanotype paper in the shade. We will then place an object on our cyanotype paper. Then we will expose it to the sun until the paper has turned a matte silver-ish color. We will put the paper into a tray and pour ordinary tap water onto it. When the water is no longer yellow tinted, the development is finished. The same process goes into making a contact printed cyanotype. Put a cyanotype paper in the shade, then put a dry and developed cyanotype face down on top of it. Secure the cyanotype sandwich with a piece of acrylic or glass. Leave the cyanotype sandwich in the sun for a long while. Develop and dry the cyanotype in the exact same way as the first one. Now you have 2 cyanotypes. Maybe you have 2 friends to give them to. I have one, this giraffe. His name is Versatile. I'll keep the other one, and we'll both be happy. And you can get your own 10-pack of cyanotype paper from lightprintpaper.com.